5th.
What's your name?
Wayne Grove.
You're Michael, huh?
You guys always work together.
All the time.
Real tight crew, huh?
Real tight.
Yeah, this works good. I'd consider going again, you know?
Yeah, stop talking, okay, Slick?
How's he doing?
100%. Right on schedule. Made a right on Venice Boulevard. We're a mile and a half from you.
Okay.
Just crossed over the number 1 lane. 300 yards from you now.
Get set.
I am.
Here we go.
We're being held up!
There's the call. 3 minutes.
Clear!
Seconds left!
Get back! Get back! Get back!
Hey, Slick, you see that shit coming out of their ears? They can't fucking hear you. Cool it! I got it. Got it.
You wanna fuck with me? You wanna fuck with me?
Whoa! What the fuck are you doing? What'd you do?
I was making a move.
Whoa! Jump, motherfucker!